Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2011 Ford F-150. I'm going to start our walk around on the driver's side, stopping to look at the tires. Good tread left there. Just going to be looking for dents, dings, scratches, any imperfections. Driver's side looks nice and clean. One little spot underneath the bumper there. Does have trailer tow. Little ding there. More spot there. They've added a nice set of extra wide step assist there. Chrome to match those rims. Looking inside the vehicle now, you do get some power, multiple adjustments for the driver's seat. It's a nice gray cloth seating. 109,533 is your current mileage. AM, FM, CD, all your climate control functionality right there, easy to get to. You do have USB auxiliary and power ports. And then all the flooring is going to be black. Looking at the back seat now, just do a nice pan over the seats. No rips, no tears, no staining. Lots of leg room back here. You do get one additional power port. All your original mats are included. And these seats are 60-40 split, so they can easily flip up out of the way, giving you more cargo space. Full bed liner. Coming in from the passenger side, just taking one more look around. Flip that seat up out of the way. Finishing up in the front passenger seat, taking one more look over that seating surface. Went ahead and put that armrest down for you. Here's a little additional storage in there. One more spin around the back. And that's going to wrap up your 2011 Ford F-150.
Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.